Hi guys, this is going to be our first recipe video on the site, so I hope you like it. It's a really tasty and simple dish that takes about 40 minutes to make. We've called it Chez's African lamb as it uses some simple ingredients often found in North African cooking. To make it you're going to need 2 lamb steaks cut into small cubes, or you can use lamb neck if you prefer, 1 fresh chilli sliced to give it some extra heat, 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 1 400-gram tin of chopped tomatoes. And this dish goes really well with a nice side salad and a slice of pita or naan bread. To start, add a splash of oil to the pan. I'm using olive oil, but you can use sunflower or vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated up, tip in the chilli and fresh ginger and then let everything sizzle away for a few minutes. Next, add the lamb and give everything a good stir until the lamb starts to brown all over. Once the lamb is a light brown, tip in the paprika and the cinnamon and mix well to make sure the lamb is coated in the spice. Give the lamb a really good stir and then add the tomatoes to the dish. Mix everything well together and then reduce the heat and leave to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Now's a good time to prepare a simple side salad and warm any bread to go with the dish. But before I do that, first it's time to go and check on Chez.
Hey. Right. Are we camping all night, or are we going to come back for some dinner at some point? Oh Chez, you're such a flirt. Cheryl was a feral cat before we adopted her, so she still displays some feral cat behaviours, like a preference to sleep outside and occasionally circling her food like a wildcat.
Okay, so Chez is fed and the lamb will be done now, so it's time to serve up. With this dish, I've just gone for a simple side salad of lettuce, tomatoes, onion and cucumber, and I've warmed a naan bread to soak up the sauce. It looks like the dish also gets Cheryl's approval, although I think she prefers her biscuits. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, it would be really great if you could like it and leave a comment below. And if you'd like to see more of our content, then don't forget to hit subscribe and join our channel.